Hey everybody, it's Perry from BouncerTips, the channel that gives you tips, tricks, and tools to help you become a better bouncer. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about this product that I found on Amazon, the Fancii Pocket Magnifier, and how it can help you find some fake IDs. Coming up. If you work in the nightclub or festival industry, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you hit that little notification bell so you get updates of future content. On today's video, we're going to talk about the Fancii Pocket Magnifier. This is a magnifying glass that I actually picked up for under $15 on Amazon for my IDing kit. If you want to learn more about what's in my IDing kit, make sure you click on this video right here. The reason I chose this pocket magnifying glass from Fancii is because it was inexpensive and it had some of the features that I was looking for to help me find some fake IDs. And the features that it has a 10, 20, and 30 time magnification, so you can get really detailed looks of what's on an ID. It also contains a UV light, so if you don't have a UV flashlight, you have a UV built in on this, so you can see any OVDs or ultraviolet markings that the states put on their IDs. Stay tuned with me as we do an unboxing and I'll show you what comes with the kit. It comes shipped in this little tiny box. The box has some features of the unit printed on it. Comes with bright LED light. Oh, and it's good for counterfeit detection. I like that. Chinese made, of course. The Fancii Pocket Magnifier comes loaded with 3 LR44 batteries. That's helpful. Let's open her up and see what we got. It comes with a protective case and an instruction booklet. Looks like the instructions are in English, which is good. Okay. Ooh, looks like fine Corinthian leather. Oh, no, it's just vinyl. That's a nice feature. The faux leather case seems to be stitched fairly well. Now let's look at the unit. That's interesting. It has ridges for a non-slip grip. Okay. You slide it open from these tabs. Light comes on once you pull it out all the way. Okay. It looks really well built. You can also use this for currency and also jewels. The unit feels sturdy. Again, that's 10, 20, and 30 times lenses. The light control is a 3-way switch, which allows you to switch between UV and white light. Each light appears to align with the lens. Light shuts off completely when closed. Now let's look at the lenses with a real ID. Here's the 10 times magnification. Pretty clear. You can see the micro printing. Here's with 20 times magnification. Okay. And here's the 30 times. Ooh, I really like the looks of that. It's a fairly attractive, well-built tool. Comes with this fake alligator skin-like material on the plastic front. So would I recommend the Fancii Pocket Magnifier? A resounding yes. The Fancii Pocket Magnifier is a valuable tool for you to have in your front door kit, so you can have a way to look at all the little minor details that are on an ID. Also, with that built-in UV light, it's extremely convenient, so you don't have to continue to look around for different flashlights to use. It's all right there built into one little unit. It's small, compact, and it fits right in your pocket, so it's easy for you to keep on you. Now, from time to time, I'll be doing product reviews on this channel so you can see some of the different tools that we use in this industry. Plus, I'm also going to expand that a little bit to look into like security cameras, maybe body cameras, things like that that people will use in security type situations. And hopefully you'll add some of these products to your arsenal to help make your job a little bit safer and also safer for your guests. I hope you got a little something out of this video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button right there. Also follow me on Twitter, and you've just been taken beyond the ropes. If you want to see some of my other product videos, make sure you click this video right here. Also, please like, share, and comment below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.